I am really stepping out the box with this one, like really stepping out the box.
I've been talking about you lately.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Karess. I just did a makeup tutorial on this look. It's featuring purples and pinks. I feel like this makeup look goes so perfectly with this hair. I think it looks fabulous. Okay? Okay. If you do like videos like this, please thumbs it up. If you want to see anything in the future, please comment down below and let me know what you would like to see. Also, comment down below and tell me if you do like this look. I did really enjoy doing it. If you guys stay tuned, you'll be able to see how I created this. I am so excited for you guys to watch this video. Alright, so we're going to jump right into this makeup look. I am showing you how I do my eyebrows because I'm adding some color to it. I am cleaning my eyebrows up with the Born This Way concealer in the color Mocha. Then I'm going to take a beauty blender, a mini one, and I'm going to blend it out a little bit. Now I'm using the Morphe eyebrow pomade in the color Chocolate Mousse. Going to the box of crayons by the crayon case, I am going into the deep plum, and I'm just slightly stroking it to add some of the purple in there. Then I'm going to blend it out a little bit with this spoolie. So now I'm going to prime my eyes with the MAC Prep and Prime primer. I'm applying it onto my entire lid. Going into the Watch Me Blush palette by the crayon case, I am using the color Cobbler, and I am applying it as my transitioning color. Going into one of the Zuvia palettes, the Masquerade Mini, I am using the color Zobo, and I am applying it on the outside of my eyes. Now I'm going to the Morphe times Jaclyn Hill palette in Bling Boss, and I'm using the color Gem, and I'm applying it all over my lid. In the same palette, I'm going to use the color Rockstar, and I'm going to apply it on the outside corners of my eyes. Going back into the same palette, I'm going to use the color Ballsy, and I'm going to apply it into my tear ducts of my eyes. Alright, so this basically wraps up the whole applying of the eyeshadows. I am now cleaning my face up with a makeup remover. So now I'm going to prime my face with some illuminating primer mist by e.l.f. Taking Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the color Mocha, I am putting this underneath my eye, and then I'm going to blend it out. So right now I'm about to mix two foundations. I am going to take Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the color Chai and Fenty Beauty in the color 410. I am taking Fenty Beauty's Matchstick in the color Espresso, and this is what I'm using to contour my face. Next, I take Tarte Shape Tape concealer in the color Deep, and then I also use Born This Way concealer in the color Mocha a little bit, and I put that underneath my eye. Then I blend it out with my Booty Blender, honey. Okurr. Using the Morphe Brow Tour in the color Showmance, I am setting my contour with this. Using the original formula Air Spun Loose Face Powder in the color Translucent, I am going to use this to set my face. I ended up applying my lashes, my mascara, and also my eyeliner off camera. Now I'm sweeping off the excess powders. Now I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills blush kit in the color Vegas, and I am applying it on my cheeks. Now I'm taking this Morphe Babe in Paradise highlighter palette in the color Chi Ho. I'm applying this highlighter everywhere, okay? You can never have enough, honey. Glow, baby, glow. So now I'm going in with the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the color Cold Brew. And then I will be applying the Beverly Hills Lip Gloss in the color Vintage. Lastly, I take the MAC Pep and Prime Fix and Matte Spray, and this is the final look. This was just a little easy makeup tutorial. I didn't do much, and I love how this whole entire look came together.
I've been to church in a long, long time, but you look fucking blessed.
So, what do you guys think of this hair color? Like, it is so freaking gorgeous. If I do get enough thumbs up on this video, I will definitely put a video out of me coloring hair purple. Alright everyone, so this completes the tutorial. I hope you guys do enjoy this. If you do, please thumbs it up. Also, please comment down below to let me know what you would like to see from me in the future. You know, subscribe, press that subscribe button. I know you want to, because I know you're going to be checking on me. But please subscribe so I can keep videos like this rolling. And I will definitely catch you in the next one. Bye!